So here's the Marvin Lock hardware, which we use the motors to operate. And what I have done is to help assist the hardware is add this spring. Pick this spring up at Home Depot. I cut it to length, just drilled a little hole here and screwed it in there. But before I did that, you have to mark the spot here, because when you operate the hardware, it comes back. So the purpose in doing this is when the motor goes so slow, sometimes this little arm here doesn't catch in this little groove. So by putting that spring there, it puts tension on this, so when the window closes to release the locking mechanism, it makes it function properly. And of course, we also made sure there was plenty of clearance. Sometimes these get bent too low, too high. Sometimes the point on it's a little too long. On this one, I snipped the end off along with the in here, just to ensure when the window closes that that little tip is not hitting that. So we'll reassemble this window and see how it works. This is how it operates with the motor attached or semi-attached for demonstration purposes. There it goes. Okay, so now we'll go ahead and hit close, and we'll see how it operates. There you go.